Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on Xbox game app run at user login in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To run Xbox app at user login, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Now click on App. Click on Installed Apps. In search, type Xbox, and here you will find Xbox app, and also find a three dot icon. Click on it and click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down. Here you will find Runs at Login. By default it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now Xbox is turned on to run at user login. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.